In this video, we will show you how to optimize Android apps. To optimize Android apps, there are several methods, but the easiest way you can using third-party application. How to do that? First, open Play Store, and in here, you can just find Phone Cleaner. Just type Phone Cleaner in here. Okay, after you find Phone Cleaner, just click this, and we suggest you to using Phone Cleaner by BrainTrust. Okay, because this Phone Cleaner application is very easy to use, and in our experience, it's very useful to optimize our Android's application. After you install, you can click open the apps. After the Phone Cleaner is open, you can see there is ads. You can just minimize the ads. Okay, and the first button is to clean the junk files, but because in this title of this video is Optimize application, first you can using Process Manager to save your memory. Okay, you can see there it's very easy to save our memory. Process Manager kills background process. Be careful, any application that running, if you click the task killer, the application will stop. So you must be careful in here. In this case, I cannot using task killer because I record the video. So my video recorder will stop if I using task killer. Okay, and the number second, we can delete duplicate files. Okay, just click this. This is to optimize our storage to use the application. If your device have not the duplicate files, you can just leave it. Okay, and the number three, we can using AI cleanup. In this case, any file that not important will appear in here. You can see there, like APK. Actually, we already installed the Telegram application, but the APK is still in here. We can just click this to remove. This is to save our storage. Click here and click delete. Okay, we can just click delete. Now our storage is safe for unimportant files like image. Also, you can see there is duplicate photos, so we can select, for example, 2 of these files. If previous is duplicate files and in here is duplicate photos, so we can delete them. Okay, and we can click back in here. There are apps manager also we can use to optimize our application. So in here, not important application can delete easily. Okay, for example, if you want to delete this, you can just click this and click uninstall. Next feature is photo compressor. This is to compress our photo into the smaller size. Let's try using this. We can click next. You can see there we can allow change quality. For example, we can using half and click next. Now our photo has been smaller, and click save, or you can replace the original. Just replace the original. After that, your photo become this smaller. Now you can also using battery manager in here, and you can see the current settings. For screen timeouts, there are advice to lock device after 30 seconds, and of course sun and brightness, and the suggestions is in here. If you okay with this, you can just click continue in here and you can click allow, and it will optimize your application most you need it in Android smartphone. And that's all tutorial how to optimize Android apps. Hope this video helpful for you.